just run the headlight loom back into this side now that the wing's to the point where I can refit some. I've taken out the air filter case and I'm just in the throes of making it look lovely before it goes back. I'm just going to throw some primer on that, make sure there's no reactions or anything. So let's have a go. Well, the primer's gone okay. No reactions of any sort. I'll let that go off a quarter of an hour and then put some satin black on. All done, ready to go back on Monday. Just repainted the grille backing plates. Just waiting for them to go off. Offered the bumper up. Just adding a few bits as I go. Breaks up the monotony of flatting and polishing. As you saw, I repainted the grille backing and that's now fitted. Got one of the headlights in. I've got to polish the other wing before I fit the other one, but that's gone in nice. And now I'm going to try the grilling, though it should look a bit different in a bit. So I'll show you again later. It's amazing how much a few bits make such a difference to how a car looks. I've got quite a bit done on the front end of the Pagoda today. I now need to run the loom back through the flitch panel and the headlight panel on this side of the car, but I need to polish this wing before I fit it, so a bit more flatting and polishing is required, but starting to look good. By the time the trim, door trims and everything else goes on, it'll look nice. Better get flatting then, hadn't I? See you on the next one.